Hey guys, welcome back. Part 2 here. So, as you can clearly see, I have the shaving cream and the watered down glue here ready to go. And I actually am going to use purple again because I love purple. It's so fun. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Okay. There's that. Mix. Purple's just so fun. Okay, now I have my activator and I have a 5 ml syringe. So, I'm gonna get my activator and fill up 5 mLs. And I'm just gonna squirt it in and see what this does. Oh, guys, yes. So, clearly you can see it started to very much activate this. It is clearly turning into your water-based slime. I think it's going to need more activator, so that sometimes you need more activator so it actually becomes the right consistency. There we go. Yeah, that's what we wanted. I'm just gonna try to mix this as best as I can. It's still a bit sticky, so I think I'm actually going to add one more 5 ml. Alright. So this is actually really, really fluffy.